What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. As you guys can see, we got the hood open on Cardi B. We're going to be installing a new part on her today. And also, it's been raining the past few days, so she is a little bit dirty. So afterwards, we're going to go take her to the car wash and get her all washed up. So actually, ever since I got the truck, the turn signal lights that are now relocated to the middle on these new AlphaRex headlights. So the bulb right there. This side is good, but this side is halfway out. So when I press the unlock button here, you can clearly see that this side is super bright. And this side is almost non-existent at this point. That's been really annoying me lately, and every time I take pictures, I don't really like taking pictures completely front end because like you can see that this one's out and this one's good. So we're gonna be changing that today. A company by the name of Aux Beam sent me these LED turn signal lights for the truck, so we're going to be putting these on today, and these look crazy. There's like bulbs all the way around them, and then there's even like a light on the top, so they should be way brighter than these. That being said, guys, we're going to get the grill taken off, and then we're going to start removing the headlights. All right, so I got this side all out. This is the old bulb. This is the new bulb. As you can see, these are way better built. These look so cheap. These ones look really good quality. I bet these are gonna be way better than these. Can't wait to get them in. Here they are plugged in. They are really bright. They're not even in the headlight yet. All right, I'm gonna get these put in. All right, I got this side completely in and all screwed back on. Oh yeah, you can, oh, that looks way better. This was the bright one. That's the difference. Oh. Yeah, that's way better. It's actually almost brighter than the C shape. Yeah, really happy with these so far. I'm gonna get that side all put in now too. All right, got everything bolted back on and tightened all up. Here's the final product, guys. Oh yeah, they look good now. Way brighter than the last ones. Super happy with this. So again, these are made by Aux Beam. I'll link all their stuff in the description, and if I can find a promo code, I'll give you guys a promo code. They make bulbs and headlights, taillights, and everything you need. Oh yeah, these are way brighter. Super happy with how it turned out. They even come with a 1-year warranty, so these are garbage now. For Kobe. So I haven't washed the truck in a few days, so I'm gonna go take it to the car wash. But first, obviously, the ground has to get moved, so then I can leave. That was fun. Well, that was fun. Now we'll get the truck started up. And to the car wash we go. I'll be showing you guys pretty much how I wash my truck whenever I wash it. There's only one car wash, or 2 car washes that I fit in within like a 30-mile radius, and I can only drive in one way at this car wash. I can't drive all the way through it. You'll see when I get there, I'll explain. I barely fit side to side. I just gotta get it just right. Start off with some high pressure soap. When it decides to work. There we go. I wash the tires, but no ass, I guess. And then I like this place because it has a spot-free rinse. So usually it doesn't leave any spots. Go over everything with the spot-free rinse.
When I hit you up, I'm talking about legacy. Chill off in your crib and act a thing, how they niggas legacy. Girl, you like my powder bed, post my bill, pay for my lawyer. Play your position, and the mother hoes get out of order. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket, bro. When you wanna give me that pussy, you purchase a plane ticket, bro. When you wanna give me that, 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 when you wanna, when you wanna, when you wanna, when you wanna. I'm on some pimp shit, but
And just like that, the truck is all clean. So as you guys saw, I started off with some soap. Never use that brush over there. This will scratch the crap out of your paint. Never use that. So I use the soap, and then this place, we have a spot-free rinse. So spray that on there to spray all the soap off. I even use it on the forged wheels. And then once you get home, like if I was going to like a show or something, I'd dry it all off and then use like a detailer spray. I link some in the descriptions, the ones that I use. And then yeah, truck's all clean. You can polish the wheels if you want. I only do on special occasions because it's a lot of work. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Big shout out to Aux Beam for sending me these bulbs. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Be sure to check them out, guys. Link in the description.